All right, we've got number 6 on the blue sheet, Coulomb's law practice. A hot air balloon has a charge of 6.4 times 10 to the minus 6 coulombs on its surface as it travels through the air. There's another hot air balloon that has a charge of 1.4. So I've got Q1 is 6.4 e to the minus 6 coulombs. Q2 is 1.4 e to the minus 4 coulombs. And I'm looking for the distance. If I know that the force between them is that, and don't forget I know that K is E 9E9. So I've got my equation, and I'm just going to plug in. So I've got 8.1 e to the minus 2 equal to K times one of my charges times the other charge, and I'm trying to have d squared, so I need to cross multiply the d squared up and the 8.1 e to the 2 down, so these two can switch places. It's the same thing as multiplying both sides by d squared, so these will cancel. Either way, I'll rewrite it for you. I have d, and then you divide by the 8.1 e to the minus 2 to get this to cancel. So it's the same thing as switching this one and the d squared. These two that I have in pink here can just switch places. So I end up with d squared equals 9e9, 6.4 e to the minus 6, 1.4 e to the minus 4 over 8.1 e to the minus 2. And then the last step is to take the square root of both sides. So I get left with just d. I'll put this into my calculator. Have square root of k times 6.4 e to the negative 6 times 1.4 e to the negative 4 divided by 8.1 e to the negative 2. And the distance is 9.97 8 meters.